Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be playing Fortnite with my friend Elijah the Gamer 1. You guys might not hear him, but I'm talking to him on Discord, so I don't know if you're going to hear him. By the way, guys, if you think I only have the Battle Pass, no I don't. I got these two skins, and this. I think I'm gonna wear the Christmas skin. Actually, no. You know what, guys? I'm gonna wear the default, but everybody, if there's any haters in your lobby, always default dance on them. And guys, respect the defaults. Never bully the defaults. But yeah, dab on the haters too. Guys, the I don't know emote actually kind of looks like the confused emote. We're gonna play squads, don't fill, cause I have to do this challenge, and I do not want anybody swearing in my video. Oh yeah, we can mute him. Yeah, I forgot. Oh, I wish I had the infinite dab. But it's kind of cringy though. Cause the dab is the dab's dead. Actually, I would rather. Wait, what's dead? Let me see. Oh, I want the Maven. Oh, yes, we're loading in the match. Ow. Guys, after this, I'm gonna watch this video. Okay. Elijah, can you mute them? Cause, there's a 20-year-old in our game. I'm not allowed playing with 20-year-olds, so I can mute them. Oh no, I jumped too early, but we're not going there. We're going here. Put your marker there too. Put your marker there. Yeah, guys, if you can hear me chewing, cause I'm eating beef. Wait, you're recording too? Wait, what? You just started? Wait, how do you start recording so fast? Oh, okay. Somebody wanted to let Frosty, but we put our marker here. Guys, my game is glitched. My game is glitched. I can't even destroy stuff. Finally, my game is not glitched anymore. I can get this chest. My favorite guns, the dual pistol. Guys, my first video I ever made was season 3. And guys, I actually started season 1, but my other account got hacked. This account I started season 1. I mean season 5. On this account I started season 5. And guys, I'm gonna try to get my friend Elijah the Gamer 1 his first win. Elijah, Ronaldo. I'm Ronaldo. You cannot beat Ronaldo. He's the best soccer player. No, you can't beat Ronaldo. No! Wait, I'm gonna score in your net. Look. You can't beat Ronaldo. You can't beat Ronaldo, bro. I beat you! Well, let's go get materials and fight people. Let's try to get a win. Let's just not do the soccer thing. Because I wasn't playing. Yeah, I'm gonna drop my dualies now since I got a shoddy. Shoddy. Not a shoddy, waddy. Destroy that fully, guys. We're probably gonna place top 10 and probably complete our challenge, so I can get the control I want, and then we can play Team Rumble and do Elijah's challenges. Yeah, he wants the season. Yeah, he wants it. Oh yeah, Epic Games. Epic Games. Okay, Elijah, can I tell Epic Games something? Okay, Epic Games, if you're watching this, you're the best because you're letting everybody get the Season 8 Battle Pass for free. I really appreciate it, but some people might not do. Dude. Oh yeah, but Epic, if you're watching this, some people might not do challenges. They might just spend V-Bucks on the Battle Pass. Probably some people are saving up for something, so I think they're doing challenges too. Now we can finally play the game. Oh yeah, Epic, if you're watching this. Well, it's not free because it's $1,000. The phone's $1,000. Okay, Epic. Just to know, Elijah said he loves you because you got the Battle Pass for free, and I love you too, Epic. And I love all my viewers and subscribers, but I do not love the haters. Because the haters are rude. Haters just like disliking my vids. Oh, this dude wants to build fight. Oh, I wish I had materials. Yo, there's a... Bro, why is this guy... help me! Help me, I'm getting hit! Oh, I accidentally talked in Fortnite. Ah! No, I cannot die, I cannot die. I cannot die. I can do this. Okay, Elijah, let me find heals first. Actually, I do have bandages, but... No, dude! Wait, Elijah, you can still stay here. Elijah, I'll get you when I heal myself. Elijah, I don't know if I want to get you because I don't want to die. I want to get you your first win. No, I got trapped. I placed top 12. I almost placed top 10, bro. It's a soccer skin. Wait, when I end the video, we're gonna play Team Rumble. Actually, when I'm done my challenge, or when the video ends. Bro, we can play squads until I complete my challenge, bro. I'm not trying to be mean. I just want to play squads and do challenges. What time is it right now? Oh, it's 6:47. Dude. Elijah, are you recording? Oh, I'm recording too, bro. My recording's almost done anyway. Oh, let's go tilted. I mean salty. Let's go Salty Springs, boys. But there's a girl in my game, so let's say, let's go to Salty Spring, boys and girls that are watching this. By the way, guys, if you want to add me as a friend, make sure you send your Fortnite username in the comments so I can get you your first win. I think I already said that. I'm dumb. Oh, I don't feel like entering these cars. Last time I entered it in when my game was like this, bro, I glitched under the map. Well, guys, I'll send my friend Elijah's channel in the link. Ah. I literally just saw what's under the map. What? Yo, this game is... I just saw wood that looked like Season 1 wood. Hey guys, I'm gonna say subscribe to me and the Fortnite chat. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe to me and Elijah. I don't know if they're... Oh, bro. Yo, chill. Yo, no. Well, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you have a great day. Bye.